Essen chairs were so well crafted that even the wealthiest merchants sought his work. But Arjun had one peculiar habit. He kept a rusty old tin filled with crooked nails, bent and discarded from past projects. His apprentice, a young man named Kiran, often teased him about it. "Master, why keep those useless nails? They're twisted and good for nothing." The villagers, too, chuckled at the sight of Arjun's tin, calling it his foolish treasure. One day, a great festival was announced in the village. The headman wanted a grand stage built for performances, but there was a problem. A sudden shortage of nails swept the region due to a halted trade caravan. Carpenters across the village scrambled, unable to finish their projects. Kiran panicked, saying, "Master, we have no nails. How will we build the stage in time?" Arjun remained calm and brought out his tin of crooked nails. "Watch and learn," he told Kiran. Arjun spent hours at his workbench, patiently straightening each nail with care. Some were too bent, so he reshaped them into hooks or supports. Others he hammered flat to reinforce joints. Day and night he and Kiran worked, using every nail from the tin. When the festival arrived, their stage stood tall and strong, adorned with clever designs made possible by the reshaped nails. The villagers were amazed, and the headman rewarded Arjun handsomely. Kiran, wide-eyed, asked, "How did you know those nails would save us?" Arjun replied, "What others see as useless, I see as potential. With effort, even the crooked can become straight and serve a purpose." From then on, Kiran never mocked the tin and began collecting his own discarded nails. The villagers stopped laughing and instead sought Arjun's advice on turning their own waste into worth. Arjun's fame grew, not just for his craft, but for his wisdom in seeing value where others saw none. Moral: even what seems worthless can be valuable with effort and creativity.